back to my channel. So today's look is just going to be this bronzed goddess kind of look. You can top this look off with a nice bold red lip and that'll be gorgeous, but I decided to do just like a nude glossy lip. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, stay tuned. So we're back at it again. I promise you, I don't look this horrible in person. Like, these acne scars, you can't even see them in person. It's just this really harsh lighting makes like the darkness on my face like really noticeable. But anyhow, first thing, I'm going to set my eyelids. Because I want this to be more of a dramatic look, I'm going to use a full coverage concealer. I'm using my LA Pro Girl, and I am using this as a base. The first thing I'm gonna do is go in with a transition shade, and for that I'm using a Morphe 441 brush. I'm gonna try to keep it to one palette, which is my Morphe 350. For my transition, I'm going to use this shade, and I'm gonna focus this mostly above my crease. I'm going to take a Morphe M412 one. It's kind of tapered at the end. I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. And for this color, I'm gonna focus this a little more in the crease. This one. And I'm gonna mix it a little with this one right here. And once again, I'm going based off my eye socket, not really the crease that you see. And I'm taking this on a really small pencil brush because I want this line to be a little more precise. I'm gonna take a really small liner brush, and I'm going to go into the deepest brown in this palette. And I'm gonna take this in all the way to the inner corners. Then I'm gonna take that fluffy brush and blend out everything. Next, what you wanna do is take a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna spray the brush. I'm gonna go into this bronze shade in my Morphe 350. Then I'm gonna put this all over the lid. Then I'm gonna gently blend this up into the crease. To top that all off, I'm going in with this liquid radiant eyeshadow from LA Girl. It's a really nice gold glitter eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna focus this mostly on the center. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll come back. So I just added some lashes and my contacts in. And these lashes, again, are Cocoa lashes in the style Amour. For the face today, I'm using my Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect. And I'm just going in with 2 pumps of this. And this shade is a little light for me, but it has the right undertone. Darken it up with my bronzer and contour. Now that I have my foundation on, I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Wanna get away, baby, I could be your vacation. Now, before I set my concealer, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. foundation palette. And I'm going to take a cream brush. I'm using the 11 brush from Kiko Milano. And I'm going into these two shades right here. And I want a really nice bronzed contour. Then I'm going to use the same end from my beauty blender that I used to blend out my foundation. And just blend that in. Do you see how easy that just blend out? Like, I really love this e.l.f. palette. Now I'm going to go in with my Kiko Milano pressed powder in 06. Dip my beauty blender in there. And I'm going to set the places that I highlighted. Now that that is done, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder in the shade Cocoa and set my face with this as always. Now I'm going to contour and bronze using my Nika K Contour Duo. I mostly use this shade. I pretty much never use this shade because it's really, really intense. I'm just using a fluffy powder brush from e.l.f. And I'm also going to use this to contour my nose. Now I'm going to take a little bit more powder and go in on the sides of my nose. For highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Glow Kit, as always. And my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with those shades that I used in my transition on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm going to use my Kiko Milano Holiday Eyeliner in the shade 02. And I'm using the golden part. Next, I'm just going to go in with some mascara on my lower lash line, and then we'll move on to lips. I'm going to take my Nika K lip liner in the shade Brown and just line my lips. Then I'm going in with Stripped by ColourPop. Just put a very small amount and then blend it out with my fingers. You can just keep it like this, but I'm going to top it off with a clear gloss. And the clear gloss I'm using is the shade number 1 by Kiko Milano. I'm going to set all of that with my Garnier Skin Active Rose Water Spray. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I really enjoyed filming this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.